How to set up custom perks or just perks in general for your characters in Multiverse. If this video helps, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, so firstly, what you have to do, you have to go to the second slot right here, Fighters. Now from here, you could choose any of those characters you have open. So me, so I'm going to choose on Shaggy. I just click on that. Then once you're over here, what you have to do, you have to click on perks, right? So emotes, perks right here. You just click on that. And right here, you have a lot of options. So as you level up, you're gonna have more perks. So me right here, I have a custom one right here. I just click on this, and I could choose between this. You can make it customized. So me, I don't really have as much unlocked because I don't really play this game like that. But as you guys can see, I have a lot of coins. So I could buy a lot, right? So listen, me right now, I'm gonna buy this one right here. Boom, I just buy it, purchases, boom. Now I go over here, I could purchase any of this I want. Right here, I have a lot of coins, so I could buy a lot. You could also go back and do this for other characters. So let's say Superman, I go over here, I could buy custom perks right here a lot. And that's how you get custom perks in Multiverse. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And if you guys want any other videos from me, how to do this, how to do that in Multiverse, let me know in the comment section. Have a good day.